Everybody should know that pharmaceutical parenteral preparations should be pyrogen-free, because the administration of pyrogens to patients could lead to life-threatening fever. Pyrogens could be endotoxins and non-endotoxins. And by the way, non-endotoxins have so far been detected by using rabbits. But good news, European Pharmacopoeia put an end to the test with rabbits, reinforcing the adoption of non-animal in vitro tests, like the Monocyte Activation test. And the PyroMAT kit, which is the Merck Monocyte Activation test, can detect endotoxins and non-endotoxins. Wow, great! Merck does not only sell a PyroMAT kit, but provide its customers with a full solution, and many customers have already chosen Merck, not only for the PyroMAT kit, but also for the unique support and to move away from rabbit testing. Thanks, Dr. Bunny. You always clarify my ideas. You're welcome.